guys, it's time to talk about the Samsung Galaxy S9. Well, there we have it, an actual video showing Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S9, or at least a device that could be the S9. From deep in the Chinese interwebs comes a short video that clearly shows a Samsung device with an infinity design. In it, we see someone actually doing some type of touch sensitivity test on a device with a screen protector. In fact, that video was taken from a screen showing another video, rendering the entire thing rather unclear. Though we would like to believe that we are indeed seeing the Galaxy S9 in the flash, there seems to be no way to confirm all of this. Does the bottom bezel look a tiny bit thinner than that of the Galaxy S8? If not, then how can we be sure we are not looking at an S8? You should decide for yourself that the answers to these questions should be we likely to believe but remain unconvinced for now. No matter if this video shows us a real deal, the launch of Galaxy S9 is approaching fast, with Samsung's next unpacked event scheduled for late February. It is only a couple of weeks until we get to see this year's top Galaxy. The device is expected to look very similar to the current Galaxy S8, though we can expect some major upgrades on the inside. The new Exynos 9810 processor promises a major boost in performance, while only the 6.2-inch Galaxy S9 Plus features a dual camera on the back. The single camera of the regular 5.8-inch Galaxy S9 will bring a few neat tricks of its own. We expect the Galaxy S9 to go on sale mid-March with the price tag that we will discuss in our recent video. So if you guys want to watch that video, then link will be available in the description. So now let me know what you guys think about Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus price, and is this video is true or not, and let me know in the comments down below, and I will catch you guys next one. See you soon.